I'm gonna pick up the pieces and build a Lego house. Things go wrong, we can knock it down. The three words have two meanings. There's one thing on my mind. It's all for you now. It's that in the cold December, we knew to keep me warm. The broken arm and manger, and it keep me sheltered from the storm that's raging. Oh, now I'm out of touch, I'm out enough. I figure out when you get down, and after all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I give it for you in time, and after all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I think I love you better now.